have booking.
Ok.
But it
Vuoi
was
cambiarlo a quello là delle 3:35? Italian, English? English.
English, please.
Do you wanna switch on 3:35?
Right.
You have to pay 10 euro. Okay, how many big pieces of luggage do you have? 7 euro. Over there. And this is your ticket. For you, plus your luggage. Boarding is in from gate C.
Or go with the bus or go with the boat. In 500 meters from the hotel, we have the bus station for go down to the Faro
Okay.
and to the Blue Group. That bus leaves every 20 minutes. For the price of the bus, for that company on board is the same, 2.40 €.
Okay.
The beach, we have 5 beaches on the island. Just Marina Grande and the beach with the sand. In Marina Piccola you have a small one.
Oh, really?
For the taxi, just for no, the minimum price are 25 €. For that example, from the hotel to the Capri town. So down there is Marina Piccola, is the beach.
Okay, there's beach.
Inside is the Capri town.
There.
Another good point that we need to go is Monte Solano, the highest level of the island. Are 586 meters. Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
There you have a very, very good view.
to Grottazzurla, and maybe by bus.
Yeah, you can take
I go over here.
Yeah, in the second square. Can we check out 9 for it's open or it's closed?
We plan to arrive here like before 9, like 8:50.
9 o'clock they knows. They
Oh really?
Check if,
Okay. So
maybe a few minutes before, but
so I will come here like 9 a.m.
Okay. Okay, this is your key.
Thank you.
This is your. The room is in.
Mint. かわいい。テラスからちょっとあそこに海が見える。スコプールだね。ここは、 Sciue. Hello. Is Sciue here?
Same. Wanna sit in the garden? Terrace? Let's sit.
Okay.
For two, this one or over there or there.